Hi, my name is Birgitte Simonsen. I'm the owner of Greatest Marketing Agency. I want to talk about something. So, we get clients for coaches, but there's of course many ways of getting clients as a coach. So let's talk about it. There's of course paid ads, there's Facebook ads, Google ads, Pinterest ads, all these different social media platforms where you can run ads. And yeah, it's great, but the thing is that ads they cost a lot of money. You have to spend a lot of time and money on testing different creatives, different pictures, different videos, different headlines, different descriptions to find the one that really fits. And if you're just starting out as a coach and you're not 1,000% sure about the right wording of your offer and your script and your messaging, then you're really wasting your money with ads, because then you're gonna be paying to test what is the right offer, what is the right messaging, and that's gonna cost a lot of money. So then there's other ways, and there's of course referrals. A lot of coaches they get a lot of referrals, or not a lot, but they're relying on referrals, and referrals is great, but the problem is it's very unpredictable. And when you're first starting out, you're probably not getting any referrals, because referrals requires that you have a network and you have previous clients that can refer you other people to you. And it's very unpredictable, unreliable. You don't know what you have the next month, if you're going to get any new clients. So it's also unscalable. If you want to scale your business, you can't do that with referrals. You can't control it. And then there's the third one. Then there's the organic marketing. So there's posting on all the social media. But it's not enough with posting. You have to also be messaging. You have to talk to the people that are following you, the ones that are commenting on your post. And that is where a lot of coaches struggle. It requires so much time and effort to be posting all the time, and not just that, also messaging all the people. And what do you say in those messages? A lot of coaches they struggle with, what do I say to that person? Or maybe they get a good conversation going, but how do you get it turned into, hey, do you want to book a call with me? It feels awkward. So it's not just about, you have to spend a lot of time on it, but it also requires skills. It requires actually sales skills. And that's where we come in. What if you could get someone to do this for you? Because the great thing about organic is that it builds up a personal connection with the prospect and the followers and the people that are watching your post. So it's a great way. It builds up a relationship. It builds trust with the person. So it is a great way, but requires a lot of time and skill, like I said. So what if you could get someone else to do this for you? And then that's where we come in. This is what we do for coaches. We do this for them, for you. We find your ideal client. We talk to them. We message them in the chat, on different social media, wherever they hang out at. We'll message them, and we ourselves train all the sales reps in Greatest Marketing Agency. They are sales trained, so they'll have a sales conversation in the chat with them, so they know exactly what to say to get them interested. And we pre-sell your offer in the chat. We share different marketing material that you have. If you don't have anything, we'll help you create something, no problem, so that we can pre-sell your offer in the chat. And when we get them pre-sold and really interested in it, then we'll book them in our call with you, a Zoom call usually. And not just that, then we also give you sales training. You get access to a full sales training program and live sales coaching every week. And we give you a customized sales script so that you'll be able to convert about 40% of the leads that we send you, which is very high. It is very high. It's not to be compared with referrals. From people who don't know you to becoming your client, 40% is very, very high. So if you want to hear more about that, then book a call and we'll talk about it. Take care.